Okay, don't worry about the USB driver. Just go to, click a little thing that says E and U. And then you go, click down until you see a little window that says set, and so you see a little thing that says setup. And it's the type of the file folder is an application. You click that application, and, you know, give it a second to do whatever. That's taking so long to do. Okay. You click open. Okay, then, why is this doing this? Okay, okay, it'll say program needs to your...
Dad, did you get those cookies out of there?
Gosh dang it, I'm doing a video! I had Miranda check on the cookies and she put them back in there for a few minutes.
Where is Miranda?
Outside. Okay, click Setup EXE and click Continue. Okay, then you see a big Motorola M, and then it comes up to this thing. It says Motorola and all this stuff. Okay, right here, well, it says Welcome to Installation Shield Wizard for Phone Tools. Okay, so click Next, click I agree, and just click Complete, just bubble and complete, and click Next. Okay, and then it'll say Motorola Phone Tools is configuring. Gosh, dang it. Install this driver software anyway. Yes. Okay. I'm just canceling these out. That's nothing to do with the video. Okay, so it'll say Motorola Phone Tools is configuring your new software installation. And this is going to take a while, so I'll get back to you.